Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, headed into Friday, very, very interesting pattern here that's taken shape, and I want to be very clear up front that this is not something where I'm trying to come across like this is a great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill to have been able to see this. The exact opposite. I assure you a lot of people that use charts and understand charts have taken notice of these, this pattern and dynamics. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with this pattern. So the first part of the pattern, let me just get it drawn in here, is the resistance portion of it. Let me try to get that fixed. Get that out of the way. There we go. So first part of the pattern's right there. And then, so that is very clearly representing the fact that, yeah, there's some selling pressure that's out there because the price is technically putting in higher low or lower highs. However, at the exact same time, you also have a dynamic showing that there's buying pressure out there because, yes, while the price has been putting in those lower highs, the price has been putting in higher lows, which is a good, situation to have. But from a technical pattern and kind of just trading terminology jargon, what we have here is a big old wedge, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. But you're going to have all sorts of people watching these levels, and while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is self-fulfilling prophecy, whatever you want. If the price were to come up and break through that trend line, guarantees nothing, but it's a more than valid and more than rational thought that a break of that level could very well create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that. And then also you're going to want to continue to watch that lower trend line right there, because as long as the price is above there, that does keep this overall pattern in play. But yeah, I think every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching that upward trend line and wondering, can this get a technical pattern breakout to the upside? Let's see how it plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.